Well, hi there, Robert. It's Rick here, and I am just going to do a quick little screencast to point out the things that are important for the new Radio Party site. The couple of things that I loved about the School Dance Network site was, first of all, the new ability to make an edit or modification or a revision in a page on the fly. So you just go to that page, you hit edit this page, and bang, you're there and you can get in and edit it right there and then. So that's really cool and convenient. I'd love the Radio Party site to be similar. Also on the school dance, oh, there's my bird, sorry. On the School Dance Network site, there's also lots of big videos and big images, and so it's very eye appealing, and that's kind of what I'm going for on the new Radio Party site. Hopefully my bird will stop talking. Anyway, as you can see here, the video right here is very small. This little picture is very small. All the print is very small. So it's all, and the whole look here is very congested and lots of stuff with lots of little bitty fonts. And so what I'm going to hopefully do is have everything bigger and more airy, if you will, like the School Dance Network site is. So here's the important parts to this new site for radio parties. Much of the same things are really important. The things that bring clients in and actually get them to use our site and to book an event are these three things: the availability checker here, the instant price quote button here, and the book now button here. Those are all elements that bring people into our system and make them potential clients. Then this pay now button here, which is way down at the bottom, should also be up more handy and toward the top of the front page as well. Then all of the tools that people use, these are all DJ Intelligence third-party tools, which I'll give you access to, and you can pull, and it's just a matter of clicking to the right URL and it goes right to that, just like before, it goes right to that item. So like if you go to Planning Tools and pick the Event Planner, these are all third-party tools that we've used from DJ Intelligence, and we want to continue to use these. And then you go to Wedding, this brings you into their site and their information. So basically, that's those things need to still be there. That would be for things like the event planner, the playlist builder, and I guess that's mainly it. Okay, so then the other important ingredients and how you put this is totally cool, and however you want to make it happen is great. But we do have to have this list of alphabetical events. These are all of the events that we're doing, and each one clicks to a DJ Intelligence tool. So I clicked right there, and then they would put in their group name right there, and then it would bring up the correct tool. So that is an important, and it's all the same tool. So no matter which one of these you click on, you're going to go to that same screen that brings you into, and then they identify what group they're with and so forth. That part you don't have to worry about as long as we can get them to that point. So that's element number one, or element number two. Number one is the DJ Intelligence tool. Number two is that alphabetical listing, and we have to be able to go in there and easily add and subtract those, because we have to do it manually as far as I know, unless you can come up with a way to do it automatically. Then these radio station call letters, each one of these, as you can see right now, they're all different sizes and different shapes, and I'd like to make them all more uniform, and this kind of makes them look goofy because there's all kinds of sizes and shapes. But then when you click on it, it needs to be clickable to another URL. And we've created a flash page like this for each one of our radio stations, which this is just a one-page flash page thing, which includes a video and all kinds of other stuff. But all you need to know about is that we want to have the logo clickable to a URL. And I could make put those URLs in. Then the other thing we need to do is the dance packages. Here's all our dance packages, and as you can see, they're all buried way here at the bottom of the screen. So that's probably not a great thing either, that they should be more obvious and available. And then I like this client testimonials. This is a slider of client testimonials, which is pretty cool. And but I don't know how you might want to insert that. Again, the font is very small, and it would be nice if it was bigger. And I like that feature. It doesn't have to be that far at the top or whatever. You can put it wherever it might fit. Then the blog posts, which now are right here, are all like small little videos and small little fonts, and it's very unuser friendly. Whereas with the School Dance Network, you have those like very cool looking. This is how we have the blog posts in the School Dance. These things right here, which are all really quite cool. The way that works out, I love that. As you can see, I've manipulated this. You probably don't remember how you laid it out, but I've done a lot of manipulating with this, and it's very easy to manipulate, and that's what I kind of love about it. I can make it change and look different all the time. Then also on the School Dance Network site, you had down at the bottom here our latest Facebook posts and comments and concerns that people have, and I kind of like both of those ideas. However you might think they might work on this new site. So that gives you an idea. As you can also see, the School Dance Network site is also bigger. It consumes more space, and I like that. The Radio Party seems to be very narrow, so this looks smaller. So that's it. I hope this is enough. That's a 7-minute tutorial on what I'm hoping will be able to happen on the new Radio Party site. If you have any questions, ask me. But I thought this might be the easiest way to explain. Plus, I'm going to send you a text version of what I just talked about as well. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.